The World Health Organization is considering whether to update its guidance about the routine wearing of face masks to prevent the spread of the virus. It comes amid reports that the White House may recommend that Americans wear them. New research has suggested that coughs and sneezes may be projected much further than previously thought. And tonight, New York's mayor has just been telling the city's residents to wear face masks to prevent the virus spreading. Our science editor, David Heymann, has more details.
The shocking power of a sneeze. But do we know for certain how far it might project coronavirus? That's the question now being assessed, and it could change how we respond to the pandemic. According to the World Health Organization, the infection can be spread to anyone up to a metre away. The advice of the British government and many others is that 2 metres can be considered a safe distance. But research in the United States shows that coughing can project small droplets up to 6 metres, and that sneezing can go even further, up to 8 metres. Now, there's no definitive proof that coronavirus can be spread that far, but there are scientists who believe that that possibility must be considered. Special cameras in the United States captured a sneeze. Some droplets stay close, but tiny ones go further than previously thought. And the scientists involved say wearing masks could reduce the risk of infection.
It is important to account, however, for the fact that these masks are not sealed, not the high-grade masks, are not protective from the inhalation of those invisible small particulates. So it's important to not be overconfident when wearing them as a way to protecting oneself against the inhalation of those droplets. It's more about protecting others from our own exhalations.
Everyone who has to leave their house has to wear a face mask.
A promotional video in the Czech Republic. And more countries, including the US, are considering similar rules. In Austria, supermarkets are insisting that they're worn. But for the experts assessing whether masks really help, there are concerns about how they might be used.
It might be that wearing a mask is equally as effective or more effective than distancing, provided that mask is worn properly and provided that people don't infect themselves when they're taking the mask off and touch an outer surface which may be contaminated.
For health workers, getting this right is critical. The message from the new research is that the virus can reach further than you might think, making it harder to stay safe. David Heymann, BBC News.